So we got these pine cones, right?
Tell us about these pine cones, Anna.
I got them from the ground. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna make them snazzy. So to make this stuff snazzy, you're gonna need some things. Brittany, what are those things?
Well, the things you're gonna need are some pine cones.
Ooh.
Because what we're decorating are pine cones.
Ooh.
Believe it or not. We have a couple hot glue guns, and these are hot glue sticks, and you're gonna need those for your hot glue guns. Decorative material. Scissors.
What we're gonna do with our beautiful little family of pine cones is a surprise. Alright, let's begin. Pink. We can use sparkly pink to really jazz it up.
No, let's start in the middle. Let's start. That would be
This part.
yeah, this pine cone.
We're gonna start with our most medium-sized pine cone.
If your pine cone has a bald spot, just put some decoration over it. Don't have a tantrum like some people. There we go. All smiles all around.
Alright! Mystery! Alright!
I'm gonna win ya. I'm gonna get you one way or another. I'm gonna see ya. I wanna meet ya one day. Maybe next week. I'm gonna meet ya. I'll meet ya.
Alright, one pine cone done.
Nature must hate us.
Sorry, Mama.
Sorry, Mama.
Okay, next.
I'm almost done with one.
Watermelon color.
I will drive past your house.
Are you kidding me?
This is a clean channel.
Are you kidding me? I didn't cut it long enough. We've been here before, haven't we?
Scissors. You have
Hey.
scissors.
Where does this soldier keep his armies?
In his sleigh base.
What? Why did the chicken cross the road?
Why?
To get to the other side.
Classic. Never heard that before.
Me either. Oh yeah, this one's fabulous. You have no idea how fabulous this is. Just wait till y'all know.
You don't even know yet.
Yeah, you don't even know.
You don't even know. You're just watching us do arts and crafts because you're a loser. Another pine cone. Done.
Okay.
I saw. Oh.
And if the lights are all down, I'll see who's around. One way or another.
Are you serious?
Are you freaking kidding me, Anna?
Again!
It doesn't need to have a back.
She can't be naked.
And I'm gonna get you one way or another. I'm gonna win ya. I'll get ya one way or another. I'm gonna see ya. I'm gonna meet ya.
Ow, 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 ow. Ow, 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 ow.
Ow. Countdown, ladies, sing your song.
Doo-dah,
doo-dah.
Meet you one day, maybe next week. I'm gonna meet ya. I'll meet ya. And if the lights are all out, I'll follow your bus downtown. See who's hanging out.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So right here we got the Belcher family. Alright. Oh, this is backwards. There we go. So here
Woo!
we got Bob Belcher.
Alright.
Linda Belcher.
Woo!
Tina Belcher. Jean Belcher. And Louise Belcher. Louise. Alright, so that's our Belcher
Are
family.
they cute? Oh my
I
gosh.
I hope you enjoy doing arts and crafts with us.
Arts and crafts. Arts and crafts.
Arts and crafts.